Moving right along to step-by-step 1.8 in the green section, Microsoft Word of your spiral-bound textbook. Folks, make sure you're not just watching the video and performing the activities. There are times I make a mistake, and if you point those mistakes out and you are correct, you earn bucks. In this step-by-step, we're going to learn about previewing a document. This enables you to look at it before you print it. We're going to learn about page orientation. Make sure you know the difference between landscape and portrait orientation. You can find the definitions for those two types of orientation on page 14, the bottom. And it gives you a few figures to look at, some examples on page 15 as far as the page orientation. Alright, top of page 16, step-by-step 1.8. I want you to click the Office button right here. Point to print. We're just pointing to it, we're not clicking it, and you get a sub-menu. Okay. Now we're going to actually click Print Preview. So this is what it's going to look like if you were to print it. Remember, we don't print anything. Do not print at all unless given instruction to do so by me. So if the book tells you to print, ignore it. I'll tell you what that means in a moment. Let's see. Okay, the book doesn't. Yes, it does. Okay, step 2. Notice we have a different tab on the ribbon because we're in a different area. So we want to click Page. In the Page Setup group, you have an orientation button. Okay, those are the two types of orientation of a page. Make sure you understand the difference between the two, and it wants you to click this one. So notice now our page is wider than it is long, and we're going to close the print preview in step 4. Now, this same thing, notice that we're still in this landscape orientation. And if you go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon, outside of the print preview, we have the same group here. I want you to click this button and this button. That's step 6. So there's 2 places you can change the page orientation. We're going to view one page, and notice that we're in the other orientation now. Don't forget what this toolbar is called up here. You're going to click this button and leave it open for the next step-by-step. Make sure you get this checked off with me or the TA before you go on to 1.9.